Good afternoon. How are you, my dear students? It's me, Moshedul Haq, and most welcome to my channel Moshed Maths Tutoring. Hopefully, my dear students, you are fine. Today, we are going to discuss motion of particles in a plane. I mean, chapter 9. This chapter is very important for board exam because one question must be count from here. So, I hope my dear students here with me and don't miss the class because today's topic is very, very important. One question must be come from here, I mean theorem. Uh, as far as I know, we have learned this on physics also, I mean motion sector. So this theorem is very, very important as well as theorem and problem also. With the help of this theorem, you can solve many problems. Okay, at first you can I want to inform about your attendance. Okay, moderator on the you can notify or you can inform me. Okay, after 2 minutes, I'll start my topic. Okay, let's see how many students present. And please don't forget to write down your name and a student number. Okay, I want to see Anita Bishar join, Umme Habiba join, Ridwan Nurhal join, Shahrina Tasneem, Tasmia. What about others? Try to join. Okay, Onindita, Habiba, Ridwan, Mahir, Nafisa, what about others? Try to join. Mohtasin, Bashar, Mohtasin, Nahin, then Safin. Okay, within 2 minutes, you can try to join. Anybody else? Nobody else? Okay, so let's get started. Uh, to if you want to prove these theorems, you have to know integration also. I think you have learned from first paper integration, basic integration, I mean formula. So let's get started. First one, if you know first one, then ultimately second, third, fourth is quite easy for you. Okay, so let's start. Anybody join? Okay, Shoaib also join. Orindita, Sanjita, Fatima Tasneem, Arif. Okay, Ondita. No, sir, we didn't know integration of that. So it's a little bit tough for you because without integration, This one. No problem. I'll show you. Okay, on there you can record regarding attendance. Okay, let's see. What is going to be fate? Okay, to draw on a straight line. This one, and this is a straight line. Clear. B is a what? A straight line, and starting from the point O with initial velocity u and uniform acceleration f, describe a distance s at time t, and across a velocity v at p. So we need to draw this diagram. You need to explain this one proof. V equal to u plus ft. But in physics, you learn this one acceleration a. But here in mathematics, you can use the symbol f instead of a. Okay, f means acceleration, t means time, v means final velocity, and u means initial velocity. Okay, so how can you write proof? Let a moving particle, you can write down, let a moving particle starting from the point O, from the point O, starting from the point O with from the point O along a straight line, AB. This one is a one kind of a straight line AB with initial velocity u. Okay, Joy also join. Asia means IB. Saif, Ainuddin. Okay. Okay, along a straight line AB with initial velocity u and uniform acceleration f, describe a distance s in time what? T. In time t equals a velocity v at p. Okay, this one, the velocity v at what? At the point p. Okay, do you know, my dear students, the rate of change of the velocity with respect to time t is called what? Please inform me. It's a very important. You have to know two things: the rate of change of velocity with respect to time t is called what, and the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called what? Please tell me. Because if you want to prove these 2 or 3 problems or theorems, you have to know this one. What is called? It's called acceleration. Thank you very much, Mahir Dayan. Inform me, Mohtasin also got card answer. Okay. Buoyancy. No explanation. Okay, no problem. Okay, now you can write. We know the rate of change of velocity with respect to time t is called acceleration. Therefore, F equal to dv by dt. I mean A equal to dv by dt. Or you can write acceleration that is F equal dv by dt. Okay, if you finish this one, the change of velocity with time t is acceleration. Rate of change of displacement is velocity. Thank you very much. Okay, Shazid will also join. Okay, have you finished your writing? Please let me know. Today she is absent. It is there or not? Please. Okay, writing finished. Thank you very much. Now let's move to next line. Okay. Or cross multiplication, you will get dv equal to f dt. dv equal to what? F dt. Okay, listen. This one is very, very important for basic. Integration dx means x plus c. C. This one indefinite integral. This one why indefinite integral? Because there is no limit, means lower limit and upper limit. If there is no lower limit or upper limit, that time when you remove the integration sign, that time you have to put here c. C means constant. C means what? Constant. But when suppose dx, this one lower limit 2, upper limit 3. That time when you do this one, you will get x and enclosed by upper limit and lower limit. If you put upper limit here 3, 3 minus 2 means 1. That time not there to plus c. In case of definite integral, don't put what? Constant, but in definite integral you need to put plus c. Is constant term. Clear? Okay. Sir Isaac Newton discovered this one, means integration. Okay, so now integrating with respect to time t. Now integrating this one with respect to time t. Time t, we get now we can put integration sign dv. F is a constant, so this one out. Okay, integration, if integration dx means x, so integration dv means what? B. F. Integration dt means t plus c. So don't put here plus c, because finally right side you can put plus c. Okay, now you can put here this one, you can consider this one equation 1. Clear, my dear student? Here you can consider this one dt, means t and integration dv means b and plus c, where c is a constant of integration. You can write where c is a constant of integration. Where c is a constant of integration. Okay. Finished? Have you finished your writing, my dear student? Have you done all of you? Please let me know. Okay, finished. Thank you very much. What is our proof? We need to prove that b equal to u plus ft. Do you know? Initially, I think you know it very well. Initially, when t equal 0 means time t equal 0, then velocity v equal to u. Okay, initial velocity when 0, that time t equal 0 and v equal to u means final velocity, that time you can consider v equal to u and distance s equal to 0. But distance not needed here because it has not mentioned here. So that's why you can consider s equal to 0. Okay, when this one is given as, that time you can put when t equals 0, s equals 0, at the same time velocity v, you can consider u. Okay, so from equation 1 we get, from equation 1 we get, you can consider v equal u f into 0 plus c, or c equal u. Okay, now putting c equal u in equation 1, then we'll get v equal to ft plus u, I mean v equal to u plus ft. Then prove. Putting, next line, putting the value of, putting the value of c in equation 1, we get v equal u plus ft. Proved. I think this one is easy for you. Is it hard or easy? Arif, inform me. Is it hard for you or easy? I think quite easy for you. What about others? This one easy or hard? Easy. Thank you very much. Okay, quite easy and over the headset. Naim. What is, who is Naim? Oh, it's easy. Okay, now you can prove another one as equal to second one as equal to ut plus half of ft square. You need to prove. But when you want to prove this one, you have to go ahead b equal to u plus ft first to top to bottom, then b equal to u plus ft, then you can elaborate. Okay, so you have to write first to last b equal to u plus ft, then then again we know that the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called the velocity. Finish? Okay. So we have to write first to last. This one be equal to u plus ft. When you want to prove s equal to ut plus half ft square. Okay. So this one equation 1 and that one b equal to u plus ft equation 2. You can put this one equation 2. Okay. Means first one you can consider equation 2. D equal u plus ft. You can consider this one equation 2 is b equal to u plus ft. Again we know the rate of here velocity is needed. That's why we can write here we know the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called the velocity. Okay. Look at this one. Again, we know the rate of change of displacement with respect to time t is called the velocity. Velocity that is b equal to ds by dt. Now this value we can put here from 2 we get ds by dt means u plus ft or ds. Now we can multiply by this one u into dt, ft into dt. U dt plus ft into dt. Clear? Any confusion? Jubai also join. It's too late, Jubai. Okay, see now integration is needed here. See this one ds dt t dt. Another integration is unknown for you. Dx means x plus c. Okay, when there another variable is there, x dx, then how come this one? X dx, here power also 1, here power also 1, that time power will be added, 1 plus 1, divided by this power, go down, plus c. Means x square by 2 plus c. But when you can do like this one, t dt, then what is the answer? Tell me. D dt integration, d dt means t 1 plus 1 t square by 2 plus c. I mean half of t square. Suppose t cube dt. Then what is the answer? Tell me. Integration t cube dt. What is the answer? Integration t cube dt. And t to the power 4. T to the power 4 by 5? No. How come 5? T to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Very good. Because power 1 will be added 3 plus 1. Then t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay. So let's see here. You can write integrating. Now integrating. You can consider this one equation. What in the equation 3. Now integrating equation 3 with respect with respect with respect to time t, we get with respect to time t we get ds, integration ds. U is what constant, so this one out of integration sign. Here f also constant. F you can also take out the integration, out of integration, or integration ds means s. U integration dt means t plus f. This one means t square by 2 plus c. If you don't put plus c, then your math will be wrong. Okay, I mean, one mistake here. So don't forget to put plus c, means constant. Here c is a constant. Previous one, c you can put here a, because previous time also I put c. That's why here you can put a. Where a is a constant of integration. Constant of integration. Okay, you can write s equal to ut plus half of ft square plus a. This one you can consider equation 4. Okay, initially when t equals 0, then s equal to also what? 0. Distance also 0, time also 0, and final velocity b equal to u, but here not final velocity, not mentioned. So, from 4 we get, from equation 4 we get 0 u into 0 half of f into 0 plus a. Oh, yes, or a equal 0. Putting the value of a equal 0 in equation 4, then we get what? S equal to ut plus half of ft square. Then proved. Yes, Amandita, you got the correct answer, a equal 0. Now this value, I mean putting the value of a equal 0 in equation 4, then we'll get s equal to ut plus half of ft square, I mean proved. Okay, putting the value of a equal 0 in equation 4, we get s equal to ut plus half of ft square. So now you can try to solve s equal to u plus b by 2 into t. I mean, average velocity means initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Okay, now you can try to solve this one. Prove that s equal to u plus b by 2 into t. Okay, on the writing finish. Now we can try to solve this one. S equal to u plus b by 2 into t. When demanding question like that, prove that s equal to u plus b by 2 into t, you need to explain laboratory v equal to u plus ft, then s equal to ut plus half of ft square. Right. This one, then you can prove this one. Okay, anybody? Can you solve this one? No one? Please let me know because only 5 minutes left. Sir, any easy? Yes. Yes, obviously easy tricks is there. Too much easy. This one. See, you need to prove s equal to ut plus half ft square. Then my food is going to be old within 5 months. Okay. So we need to prove that s equal to u plus b by 2 into t. So dot s equal to ut plus half of ft square. Got this one previous proof. Then what happens? See, now taking LCM 2. So there is no denominator, so it will be 2ut plus ft square by 2. Okay, or s equal to here t is a common, taking t is common, then you get so t here t by 2. Okay, taking t as a common, then remaining 2u plus ft by t, or okay, is equal to u plus b by 2u. Okay, so this 2u can be written as u plus ft into t into 2, or s equal to u. Okay, tell me, u plus ft means what? V. Finish. It's easy or not? I think it's quite easy. Arif, am I clear to you? You writing little problem. U plus ft means V. V equal to u plus ft. Jawar, sir, is this physics? Yes, this one fully based on physics and motion. One chapter 9 is motion and chapter 8 is statics. Means part of physics this one and part of mathematics also. Chapter 10 is static. Chapter 10 is dynamics. 9. Motion. So it's quite easy for you. This chapter means chapter 9. One question must be come from here. A number definition sometimes or B number proof and C number problem. With the help of this problem. With the help of this theorem, you can solve any problem. So finished. Now write down. Your homework. B square equal to E square plus 2fs You can do this one. B square equal to U square plus 2FF. This one is also very, very important. Prove that you can do also like this way, B square to U square plus 2Fs. Acceleration, and this one distance, initial velocity, final velocity. Okay, this one for uniform acceleration. But when uniform retardation, that time you can write V equal to, I think you know it very well, U minus Ft, and d square equal to U square minus 2Fs. That time acceleration would be negative, and s equal to ut minus half of Ft square. Okay, these are very important for problems. Okay, uniform acceleration and uniform retardation, keep in mind. That time we can apply this formula. Okay, Jabor, what about your student number? You can mention your student number and name I know, but I forgot your student number. Okay, thank you very much. So next class I will discuss what problem, how I will solve problem. So don't miss the class. And if you face any problem, this could use step plus 2Fs, then let me know. And please let me know about your thoughts. Don't waste your time. Time is a great healer. Now please, best of luck. Jazakallah.